Shopify just launched the Shopify Bundles app, which is available on our App Store already. And let me show you how easy it is to set it up and is it worth it to have it and what it is compared to LibOutEdge Smart Upsell app. So first you have to install the app and you will be redirected to the app page where it's quite simple. You just have to press the create bundle and you have to name the bundle. So I will just call it test, and then you have to select products which are on the bundle. As I have only two, I will go with the two products, and I think max is 100 variants. They have it. So the next thing is what they do. They create bundle as a product, new product. So you will need to write the description and have a bundle photos. So for me, it's not user friendly because I need to have no photo shoot, which is quite expensive to have it. So I will just go without photos and to just showcase how the bundle will look to the end user. So the next thing is you, as always, you create the view of the bundle. You will be redirected to the specific like a bundle product page where should be a photo description, and as you can see also description here. But what I do, just I will do the test and I will press buy it now, and as you can see bundle is live on the checkout and it is here. So that's how it works. It's simple. Is it user friendly? I wouldn't call it. If you have only an example pre-made already gift sets, then yes, but anyways you need to redirect traffic to that page, and you can edit those bundles also in your team. So there is some options, and there will probably be more options coming out. But if I compare with our app, LibOutEdge Smart Upsell app, I would say we have better solution. Of course, Shopify Bundle is a free, but with LibOutEdge Smart Upsell, which is now the fastest upsell and downsell or bundle or product add-ons app on the Shopify App Store, uh, I would say we have a better designs as you, and you don't need to have expensive photo shoots to create those bundles. We do automatically. We add them here, as you can see, and you have other options how to upsell, example with the product add-ons. So if you need any help with setting up LibOutEdge Smart Upsell app, just let me know and I will help you out.